Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is talking about a new product offering. We're going to offer, when you want to build a custom axle kit, you can build it with our now offered run flat tires. Wasn't a fan of run flats, but with the newer technology that's coming out, these are almost as light as a pneumatic. If you don't want to have a pneumatic tire, this is a great option. If you build an axle kit with us, all kits would come standard with the axle kit. Your spindle, bolts. Some kits require these two variations, a spacer. Sometimes they require both. All of them come with a hardware kit. We're going to be offering these in these other brands here. All these products, I don't want to forget to mention, we do also offer a separate product on a separate listing, is a kickstand. Some people think that they're getting the kickstand with the axle. No, it's a separate listing that will allow the stand to stand vertical. All these products mentioned in this video can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.